Praise the Lord. Good morning. I've come this morning to encourage our single sisters all over the world, especially those that are waiting in the Lord, especially those that believe that every good and perfect gift comes from God. I tell you, you will not miss your reward. You will not miss that which God has planned for you, even from the beginning of your life. I tell you, the waiting season is not easy. I have been there. I was once there. It's not easy. Especially when you want to do it the Lord's way. Especially when you want to follow the precept of the Lord. It is not easy. You will receive so many insults. You will receive so many bad words from people. They will call you names. They called me several names. To the extent they told me, you have crossed 30 in your mother's house. You will not even have children. But I tell you, I want you to keep waiting in the Lord. Because at the end, you will sing a new song. And you will say that the waiting was worth it. It has always been my slogan. My followers will always see me write that. They always see me write that the waiting was worth it. God will give you a man that on your own you wouldn't have made that choice. God will give you a man that will be there for you, that will love you for who you are. I'm telling you. But make sure that you're waiting in holiness, not sleeping around, trying to snatch people's husband, trying to double date, keep this and keep that and keep. It is not what will guarantee your marriage. Some people, the latest trend is they want to assure the man. They want to ensure. They want to make sure that the man is their own by he must sleep with you. He can still sleep with you and leave you. That's the truth. You feel you can't wait anymore? Listen. Ecclesiastes 3:11 says, at his own time, at God's own perfect time, he makes all things beautiful. So wait for him. He is coming. And let me tell you something. As he is coming big. You will sit back one day and you will remember, oh Father, so you love me this much. But make sure you're waiting in holiness. Make sure that you know that he is the rewarder of they that diligently seek him. Isaiah 34 verse 16. It says, seek ye out of the book of the Lord and read. No one of these shall fail, and none shall lack her mate. Let me tell you something again. Wayo brother must marry Wayo sister. If you think you want God to give you a holy brother, a holy sister, that is going to church, that is righteous, listen to me. God cannot be that wicked. If you want God to give you a good person in marriage, be that good person. Be that good person. Connect yourself to God. God cannot be so wicked that a brother will keep himself so righteous before him, so holy, and do the things of the Lord. And then when he wants to marry, God will give him a sister that is wayward. A sister that is troublesome. A sister that doesn't follow the precept of the Lord. So if you want God to give you that man that will make your marriage to be heaven on earth, be that which you desire from that man. The same goes to our brothers. If you want God to give you a sister that is good and holy and righteous in the face of God, be that man. That's something our brothers do these days. They always believe that when they want to marry, it is only the sisters that will pray. They don't have to pray. Brother, listen. When a woman gives you hot time, that marriage, you'll be running away from it. So, bros, if you want to marry, settle down and seek the face of God. Isaiah 34 verse 16 is still working till tomorrow. God still gives a good soulmate. None of you shall lack your mate. Rest in the Lord. Be rest assured that you will never regret serving God. As you wait, God is making it to be perfect for you. Yes, it's true, there's no perfect marriage, but let me tell you, when you live and marry a brother, a sister that understands the things of the Lord, both of you, no matter that there's no home that doesn't have one squabble or the other, but when it comes, you will take solace in the Lord and settle everything amicably. And heaven on earth is in marriage. I'm telling you, I am a living witness. God will do it for you. I am here and I'll be praying for you. I am praying for my sons and daughters all over the world. I am praying for my brothers and sisters all over the world that believe that God doesn't fail. Live a holy life. Give your life to Christ and be good. God is coming. And as He's coming, He is coming big. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.